Listen, the Fjallraven Kanken is a great backpack until it's time to carry lots of heavy items. And you realize these shoulder straps aren't the most comfortable. And the pockets, well, they could be better. So we're gonna show you 3 of our favorite backpacks like the Kanken. And these small backpacks can hold your laptop, have comfortable shoulder straps, and actually have pockets that fit your everyday items. Now let's start off with the Patagonia Atom Tote Pack. This backpack is only a little bit bigger than the Kanken, with 20 liters of packing room, so it's a great size for work or school. But the big upgrade here is comfort. It has these thick padded shoulder straps, and they even include a chest strap for extra support. Other awesome features include stretchy water bottle pockets that can fit big bottles, a 13-inch laptop sleeve that is removable, so on days when you don't want to carry your laptop, just toss it to the side and now you have a backpack for hiking, farmers markets, or beach days. I think we're doing better already. Next up is the Doughnut Macaroon, and this is the backpack that is most like the Kanken in style and size. And as much as we appreciate a vintage design from the 1970s, the Macaroon was designed for the modern age and has the upgrades to prove it, like a 14-inch laptop sleeve. And say goodbye to pencil cases, because the Macaroon has pockets for everything. Seriously, it's actually pretty impressive how many pockets Doughnut was able to pack into these backpacks. There is even a pocket for a water bottle on the inside. And whether your bag is filled with a laptop or heavy notebooks, the Doughnut Macaroon has you covered, with built-in shoulder padding for comfort. Just like the Kanken, the Macaroon comes in mini, regular, and large sizes. And let's not forget about all of the color options. It's really impressive how many colors Doughnut offers. And finally, we have the Day Owl Backpack. Now, this backpack comes in 2 sizes, regular and the Day Owl Slim. If you want the closest to the Kanken in size, you could go with the Slim, but we really do recommend the regular Day Owl backpack as well, especially for work and school. And what we like about this backpack is that it gives you a minimalist aesthetic, but with a lot more pockets. And a lot of these pockets are kind of hidden. There's one on the top, one on the front, and our favorite is this secret water bottle pocket, which is such a smart design. You also get a separate laptop compartment in the back. Both the regular and slim Day Owls open nice and wide for easy packing. And Day Owl sometimes likes to release limited edition colors, so you can grab a really unique bag that few people have. And that wraps it up. We're interested to know if you can think of any other backpacks like the Kanken that you really like. Or maybe you think the Kanken is still number 1. Either way, let us know your thoughts in the comments. There will also be a link in the video description for a full list of Kanken alternatives, which does include some much cheaper options. And as always, thank you so much for watching.